3, 2, 1.
Which fruit is known as a persimmon in English and kaki in Japanese? The answer is C, mango. What is the largest even number? The answer is D, 8. Polygenic traits are controlled by more than one of these. The answer is B, genes. What cleans your dishes? The answer is D, sponge. When Jack and Jill went to see The Notebook, Jill was surprised at Jack's obvious display of his lachrymosity. What was Jack doing? The answer is D, crying. Mount Rushmore is located in which U.S. state? The answer is B, South Dakota. What is the longitudinal extent of Australia? The answer is C, 114 degrees east. Jazz musician Duke Ellington attended which high school? The answer is A, Armstrong Manual Training School. The first solar-powered car to win the World Solar Challenge was the what? The answer is B, Stella Vi. Which law states that action and reaction are equal and opposite? The answer is C, Newton's third law. Each yoga path is suited to a different temperament or approach to life. How many different main paths are there in yoga? The answer is C, 4. Which of the following women has Jack not dated in the first 6 seasons of the TV series 24? The answer is D, Chloe. What is the result of 0.6 * 10? The answer is C, 6.0. I'm the child of Hyperion and Theia, bringer of light and father to the sun, moon, and dawn. Who am I? The answer is A, Apollo. What was Shakespeare's first play? The answer is A, Henry VI. What object do people use to write with? The answer is C, pen. In which city did Coco Chanel open her first fashion boutique? The answer is A, Paris A. People use water in different ways. Which of these activities wastes water? The answer is B, leaving a faucet on. What does the C in DNA stand for? The answer is C, chain. What interesting name was given to the goal scored by Diego Maradona in 1986 at the FIFA World Cup quarterfinal in Mexico between Argentina and England? The answer is C. Hand of God. How many children did Mark Twain and his wife have? The answer is B. 3 daughters and 1 son. What is a device that chops and minces food called? The answer is C. Chopper. What do the villains from the War of the Worlds, ranked #27 on the AFI's list of the 50 top villains, have in common with the villain at #14 from the same list? The answer is A. They both come from outer space. What waves require a material medium such as water, air, or rope? The answer is A. Mechanical. The appendicular skeleton includes all bones of the upper and lower limbs plus the bones that attach each limb to the what? The answer is B. Axial skeleton. In 1994, the Rolling Stones won their first Grammy Award for Best Rock Album. What was the name of that album? The answer is D. Voodoo Lounge. Which prefix means across a distance? The answer is C. Tell. Of the 4 main wobble-base pairs, guanine is paired with what? The answer is C. Uracil. Which organ system defends the body from pathogens and other causes of disease? The answer is A. Immune system. A baseball has how many seams? The answer is C. 12 panels. What is an organic compound that is made up of only carbon and hydrogen? The answer is D. A hydrocarbon. Eric Nies did a commercial for what cologne during season 1 of The Real World? The answer is A. Job and Muss. What is the state flower of the U.S. state of Rhode Island? The answer is C. Violet. The Prunus genus, to which peaches belong, does not include which one of these trees? The answer is D. Apple. Which psychological term refers to the unconscious processing of information? The answer is D. Unconscious processing. In which of these countries is Santa Claus accompanied by an assistant who carries a black sack and a book in which each child's behavior is recorded? The answer is C. Holland. How many English kings bore the name William? The answer is D. 4. What is the piece of furniture with multiple compartments called? The answer is A. Cabinet. What sequel to the 2003 movie Bruce Almighty was released in 2007? The answer is D. Evan Almighty. The Humboldt River Basin is one of the most important sources of several non-renewable resources. Which of these non-renewable resources is produced from the Humboldt River Basin? The answer is D. Minerals from mining gold, silver, and copper. What mathematical field involves equations, functions, and variables? The answer is C. Calculus. What is the name of the ship used by Christopher Columbus during his first voyage? The answer is A. Santa Maria. What is the main type of cell in the nervous system called? The answer is C. Neuron. Which Rolling Stones member wrote Angie? The answer is B. Keith Richards. Which celestial body rotates on its axis faster than Earth? The answer is B. Mars. Which of these drinks would you associate with Latvia? The answer is A. Riga Black Balsam. The xylophone is a percussion instrument made of what? The answer is A. Wood. Who stole apples of immortality? The answer is B. Prometheus. What is the study of the human mind and its functions, especially those affecting behavior in a given context? The answer is B. Psychology. What is the real name of R.B. singer and actress Aaliyah?